Hey there, in this video I am going to show sort of the payoff of using semantic HTML. So I have this page that I created as an example, and behind the scenes now this code does use semantic HTML, and by that I mean the headings are h1 tags and the button is actually a button tag. So let me enable TalkBack by holding in both of my volume buttons.
TalkBack on Chrome. This is another heading. Heading 1.
Okay, so TalkBack is on and I can swipe left and right.
This is a heading. Heading 1.
And, first of all, notice that TalkBack announced that as a heading.
This is some content. This is another heading. Heading 1.
And now I'm going to navigate down to the button.
Click Me. Button. Double tap to activate.
And as you heard, TalkBack is announcing it as a button. I can double tap that.
An embedded page at cdpn.io says Home button. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
Yeah, I don't know. I honestly think that this is a bug in TalkBack where it announced the dialogue title but not the content. So,
Hello.
Welcome to using a screen reader, but I'm going to click out of this.
Okay, button. Double tap to activate. Home, button. CodePen, Semantic HTML. This is another.
And the next thing I'm going to do is swipe up and down to enable the navigation by heading feature.
Lines. Word. Spoke. Speak. Window. Links. Controls. Headings. Swipe up or swipe down to read by headings.
Okay, so now I've switched to navigate by heading mode, so I'm going to swipe up.
This is a heading. Heading 1.
And I'm going to swipe down.
This is another heading. Heading 1.
And, that works. And imagine that this is a larger page and I have a bunch of headings that I want to be able to quickly scan through. And because the developer used semantic HTML, now as the screen reader user, I am able to do that.
This is a heading. Heading 1.
So that is why it's important to use semantic HTML, because devices like screen readers will use that information to give the proper behavior to screen reader users.
TalkBack off.
Okay, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you put yourself in the shoes of screen reader users.